Welcome to the chemistry lab. Today, we will learn how to find the pH of acids and alkaline. pH is a measure of hydrogen ion concentration to determine the alkalinity or acidity of a solution. If the pH value of a solution is less than 7, it is an acidic solution. If the pH value of a solution is greater than 7, it is an alkaline solution. If the pH value of a solution is equal to 7, it is a neutral solution. Let me make you aware of the tools, which you will be using today for the experiment. As you can see, all the tools which are required for this experiment are laid on the table. We have a beaker filled with sodium bicarbonate, a beaker filled with nitric acid, a test tube stand to hold multiple test tubes, a test tube stand to hold single test tube, 2 test tubes, and a jar filled with universal indicator. Now, let's start the experiment. Grab an empty test tube. I am highlighting the same for you. In the real world, you can hold this test tube in your non-dominant hand, but for this experiment, let's place the test tube in the single test tube stand. I am highlighting the same for you. Well done. Grab the dropper which is inside the sodium bicarbonate beaker. Place the dropper inside the beaker with its nozzle kept in the sodium bicarbonate solution. Now press the bulb of the dropper to fill it with sodium bicarbonate solution. Great work! Pour the sodium bicarbonate solution in the test tube. Nice work! Place the dropper back in the sodium bicarbonate beaker. Now, grab the dropper which is inside the universal indicator solution jar. Nice work! Place the dropper inside the jar, with its nozzle kept in the universal indicator solution. Now press the bulb of the dropper. Well done! Pour the universal indicator solution in the test tube. Great work! Place the dropper back in the universal indicator solution jar. Grab the test tube out of the single test tube stand. I am highlighting the same for you. Shake the test tube gently, so that sodium bicarbonate and universal indicator solution get mixed properly. Nice work! As you can see, the color of the mixture is now changed to light blue. Now looking at the chart and comparing it with the color scheme, the pH value is between 8 to 9. This confirms that sodium bicarbonate is a weak base and alkaline in nature. Let's place the test tube in the test tube stand. I am highlighting the same for you. Great work! Let's test what you have just learned in this experiment. You will be scored for this part, and I will be here if you get stuck. But you will lose points if I have to help. Well done! Great work! Nice work! Nice work! Well done! Great work! Grab the test tube. Nice work! Great work! As you can see, the color of the mixture is now changed to light blue. Based on the experiment you carried out today, please answer the following questions.